Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of the miscellaneous exercise on Chapter 11, Three-Dimensional Geometry, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. The miscellaneous exercise on Chapter 11 has 5 questions: a symbolic angle, a line along the x-axis, a perpendicularity value of k, a shortest distance, and a line perpendicular to 2 given lines. Here they are. Question 1 of the Chapter 11 Miscellaneous. Symbolic direction ratios. Compute the dot and watch it collapse. The dot is a times b minus c, plus b times c minus a, plus c times a minus b. Every product appears once with each sign, so the whole thing is 0. A 0 dot product means the lines are at 90 degrees. Question 2. The simplest possible line. Direction 1, 0, 0 through the origin. Parallel to the x-axis means direction I hat. So through the origin the vector form is r equals lambda I hat, and in Cartesian form y and z stay 0. Question 3. A perpendicularity condition with a parameter. Dot the direction ratios and solve for k. The ratios are minus 3, 2k, 2 and 3k, 1 minus 5. The dot must vanish. Minus 7k equals 10, so k is minus 10 over 7. Question 4. Skew lines one last time. Cross product, gap vector, quotient. The cross of 1, minus 2, 2 and 3, minus 2 is 8i hat plus 8j hat plus 4k hat, magnitude 12. The gap is minus 10, minus 2, minus 3. Its dot with the cross is minus 80, minus 16, minus 12, minus 108. Modulus 108 over 12. The shortest distance is 9. Question 5, the last of Chapter 11. Perpendicular to 2 given lines. The cross of their directions is our direction. The cross of 3, minus 16, 7 and 3, 8, minus 5 is 24i hat plus 36j hat plus 72k hat, which is 12 times 2, 3, 6. So the line through 1, 2, minus 4 with direction 2, 3, 6 is r equals that point plus lambda times the direction. That completes the miscellaneous exercise, and with it Chapter 11, Three-Dimensional Geometry. In the next video, we begin Chapter 12, Linear Programming. Thank you for watching. If this helped, do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your classmates.